Hey everyone, check out these stunning KaroNairy wide buckle ballet flats. They feature a sophisticated pointed toe and a sleek black leather design. Large metallic buckles give you an adjustable and custom fit. The comfortable construction ensures durability and long-lasting daily wear. These slip-on slingback sandals offer incredible stability and support. They effortlessly elevate your fashion game for any occasion. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.